Coulomb's law is the law stated to evaluate the magnitude of the force existing between two stationary point charges. If we are going to consider two stationary point charges Q1 and Q2 situated in air or vacuum separated by a distance r, the magnitude of the force exerted on Q1 by Q2 and similarly the force exerted on Q2 by Q1 can be evaluated by means of Coulomb's law. According to Coulomb, the force exerted by either of the charges is said to be directly proportional to the magnitude of the two charges, where the magnitude of the two charges is expressed by means of mod of Q1 and mod of Q2. Similarly, the magnitude of the force is also said to depend upon the separation existing between the two charges. Since this particular law is said to obey inverse square law, we are saying that the magnitude of the force is said to be inversely proportional to square of the separation between the two charges. So compiling the two, we can write that the force exerted on Q1 due to Q2 or Q2 due to Q1 as F directly proportional to mod of Q1 into mod of Q2 and inversely proportional to the square of the separation between the two charges. So in every study, always a proportionality constant should be introduced, removing the proportionality out. Here, we are going to introduce a such proportionality constant, and that proportionality constant is what is named by electrostatic force constant represented by K, and henceforth the magnitude of the two charges represented as mod Q1 into mod Q2 divided by R square. This value of K is said to depend upon the nature of the medium that is existing between the two charges. If I am supposed to consider air to be the medium separating the two charges, under SI system, this value of K is proven to be experimentally equal to 9 into 10 to the power of 9. Also, this can be represented by means of this ratio, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Here again, we have another constant of proportionality introduced here. That constant is what is called as electrical permittivity with respect to air as the medium. Now, taking up that proportionality constant here into picture, we can write the mathematical form of Coulomb's law as F is equal to 1 divided by 4 pi epsilon naught into mod of Q1 into mod of Q2 divided by R square. This value of epsilon naught is purely dependent upon the nature of the medium existing between the two. So Coulomb, through his experimentation, have evaluated this value of epsilon naught to be as 8.854 into 10 to the power of minus 12 Newton meter squared per Coulomb. So the magnitude of the force existing between any two stationary point charges is thus being evaluated using the Coulomb's law, and that magnitude of the force in every aspect, either with respect to air or medium, you can evaluate it by means of this ratio. This is what Coulomb's law states.